Hi, welcome. This is Sharif from Openmrs, Quality Assurance Team, and a fellow. Today, we're going to talk about search and registering a patient. And this is an end-to-end testing. So let's get started. This test comprises of two method definition, whereby find patient steps and registering a patient. So the first thing that we need to cater for is to make sure that these steps can be reused. How we can do that? We can simply reuse the method or the step definitions. Cucumber does not allow reuse step definitions. However, the only way to use them is to call those methods by their names. How? I went ahead and I created the helper methods within a class that we are extending to. So these class steps act as a parent for all the step definitions that we want to extend to. So I went ahead and created helper method classes, which I'm just calling, and that gives me assurance for Cucumber to be happy and not to throw the duplicate exceptions. So what does this method test does? So given a user clicks on find patient record and the user searches for a patient, and for this time if the patient is not available in database, it goes ahead and creates that patient in database. I also have the feature file corresponding to their step definition tests. So like I said, these should be the exact same as you've written with their Gherkin syntax files. Let me run this test. It first find for Aurora. When Aurora is not in the database for Openmrs, it creates a new Aurora, and the system is supposed to be the browser. So ideally, that's the whole workflow of this test. I just wanted us to talk about some few things, then we can call it a day. And within these test step definitions, we've also written what we call hooks. Simple hooks are blocks of code that run in before and after methods during the execution of each scenario in Cucumber. So they are just helping us to manage the code workflow and reduce the redundancy of code. These are the hooks that I'm talking about. So they are very important, especially when you are defining your step definitions. So we've seen that our test has passed with one test, and that is equivalent to the feature file, which is one single scenario. Thank you and have a nice time.